Welcome to Salika Mag. In today's tutorial we will learn this easy shorts for men for beginners. So I just fold my fabric in 4 folds and my fabric width is 58 inches. So I just leave here 2 inches or 5 centimeter for the elastic, and then take any short that you actually want for the size, and I just mark here the arrows. The closed side of the fabric and the open side of fabric will be your crotch area. So just place like this way. Length of the fabric depend how much length you want. So start from here, just make it straight, because after stretching the elastic this line will be extended. So now after that just trace exactly, and I want a little more length than this short, so I just increase a bit more. It depend on your choice. So now I just mark here 1 inches or 2.5 centimeter for the seam allowances. Now after tracing all, just cut exactly on the lines. And guys, if you are first time here, please don't forget to subscribe and check my playlist. I already uploaded tutorials about the professional cutting of pants. This tutorial is for absolute beginners. So here I'm just marking 2 inches down for the front part, because our front is less than our back side. So I just mark here for front, and then I'm just cutting this. So, and guys, if this tutorial is useful for you, please don't forget to hit the like button so YouTube will know that. See here I'm just stitching my this crotch area, this line. So after stitching both these lines, I will show you that what is the next step. See, just I complete stitching here. Now turn it like this way, you can see here, and now stitch the leg part here. And after stitching this leg part, now it's time to turn this 2 inches here and stitch all the way. Just leave a little bit about 2 inches so opening for the elastic. And so guys, also fold the hemline and stitch. For that, just remove this part, free arm, and then fold your hemline and stitch all the way. So this is very easy tutorial for the beginners and very casual style of shorts for men. You can make for your boys or husband or anyone you want. So, and even if you are beginner, no need for any pattern. And now I'm just inserting the elastic, and after that I will stitch the edges of the elastic together, and then just turn it inside out, and your short is ready. So hope you like this easy tutorial. Please press the thumbs up button, and let me know if you want more shorts like with the pockets and all this thing. Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching.